welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. I have some exciting news to share with you guys. Verse has dropped a new product and I am here to tell you all about it. I just love the mint green box that it comes in. It's just so exciting. It is called the Out of Sight Dark Spot Gel. This product I was super excited about when they sent it over to me, because when I see anything that claims to get rid of, help the appearance of dark spots, I get excited. It's something that I deal with my skin. You guys know that I'm acne prone, and when I get that hormonal acne, it always leaves a dark spot. It's just not fun. So when I saw this product was launching, I was so excited. I'm like, Verse is always right on time. Every time I have a skincare concern, I'm thinking about, I wish I had this product, or I need to pick this product up, or I need to, focus on getting something that's going to help with this or that. They always come right on time. I mean, I don't understand. I think they're in my mind. I think that they're in my mind. Let's go ahead and get into this product. First, I love the tube that it comes in. This is travel friendly. I love the applicator. All you do is take off the top and just squeeze a little bit into the hand, and you just go ahead and massage it all over the skin. So let's read what this product is all about. I love when they send these information cards, because you know exactly what it's for, what it's targeting, and what is in the product. It says Out of Sight Dark Spots Gel, a concentrated brightening treatment powered by proven ingredients like, oh gosh, I don't know how to say this, something acid, I'm going to leave it on the screen, which is often used to treat the most stubborn form of hyperpigmentation, melasma. Dab on the invisible gel and watch dark spots disappear without a trace. It has the ingredients listed here for you, and I will definitely place them on the screen as well. They also leave here results, so when they have customers who leave reviews on the site, they do give testimonials, and I like when they place them on the card, so you kind of know what you're getting into, and you know what the users expected and what they got from the product. It says 85% agree the product minimizes the appearance of dark spots. Bingo. 82% agree dark spots appear lighter and smaller after using the product. Another bingo. And third, 70% agree the product corrects uneven looking skin tone. Another bingo. Triple bingo. All of these point to me. Point to my face. This is all based on an 8-week user percentage trial performed on a range of skin tones. So that means all different types of people have tried this product out and noticed these differences mentioned here within 8 weeks, which is great, which is right on time, which is what a product does claim to do. Gives you about 6 to 8 weeks for you to tell the difference in a product that you are using. This is made for dullness, and it tells you how to apply it. You're going to apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin. Let it sink in 2 to 3 minutes before applying your moisturizer. You can also use this to spot treat targeted areas. You can use this in the morning and at night. You want to store in a cool, dark place. So I have been using this, you guys, and what I like about it is I like the fact that it does not aggravate my skin. I love that for me. You get 0.5 fluid ounces in this actual tube here. I'm gonna place a little bit on my arm here so you can see the consistency and exactly what you're getting. So that is what it looks like, a nice clear gel, you guys. It doesn't have a tingling sensation. It doesn't have a cooling sensation. It just has a serum-like feel. I'm gonna take it and just rub it into the skin so you guys can see. It just feels really good, light, and very gentle on the skin. It doesn't really have a scent. It does smell like something, I can't think of it, but it doesn't have like a scent, like a fragrance scent or anything like that. But that's basically what you're going to do. You just massage it right into the skin. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, you guys. When your product does tell you to let your product sit before placing others on top, it is telling you that for a reason. You need time for the ingredients in this to activate and really penetrate the skin. Then go in with your other products. At night, when I use this, I only use this at night. I just put my moisturizer right on top of my skin after. When you place the moisturizer on your skin, it does tell you not to rub or vigorously massage the moisturizer into the skin. Just go ahead and kind of pat your moisturizer into your skin. The easiest way to do that is to place your moisturizer in your hand first, massage it, warm it up, and then place on the skin, and just actually press into the skin, because you want this to activate as much as possible, because this is helping get rid of dark spots. If you have dark spots, or if you have experience having dark spots, you know they are not fun and they are stubborn to get rid of. I can't say it enough. So when you're using a product like this and you want to see results, make sure you are following directions, and I promise you 9 times out of 10 you will see results in your skin. So as I'm sitting here talking to you guys, you can see how that's kind of just melting into my skin. Continue to soak in nicely for the next few minutes. So this is what your face will look like with it on, and then you're gonna place your moisturizer on top. You can definitely place a serum on top of this also. I would do a hyaluronic acid serum. I think that is something that won't hurt you. It's just going to basically place moisture back into your skin. So if you want to do that on top of this and go to bed, you could do that also. Again, you would wait still 2 to 3 minutes and then just press the hyaluronic acid into the skin. If you are out there and you suffer from hyperpigmentation, melasma, any dark spots on your face, please give this a try, you guys. Even do picture results. I like to take before pictures, like what my skin looks like before I use a product, and then as I'm going each week, I will take another picture just to see if I'm noticing anything. The first 2 weeks, you're probably not going to notice a thing, but I would just allow the product to work and do what it needs to do. Take your picture so you can show before and after, so you can actually see, okay, is this product actually working? Because sometimes we look at ourselves in the mirror every day. Sometimes we don't even notice our skin is dealing with what it's dealing with until we actually take pictures of our skin. And trust me, I have learned that. I have learned that before getting my chemical peels. I knew that my skin needed to be treated, but I didn't know how bad it was until I actually took pictures, and the before and after actually blew my mind because it was drastic. So again, take some trial pictures, do before and afters. You don't have to share them with anybody if you're not comfortable. They're just for you in your own diary, but it lets you know how effective a product is and is it actually helping you. This product does actually launch September 16th, so make sure you pick it up exclusively online. This product will launch in stores October of this year at Target. So make sure you guys pick that up, and you can't beat this. This is $16.99 drugstore price. We have a lot of products out there on the market now, and they are expensive. Dark spot treatments are expensive, anywhere from $60 to $100 and on. And these are like claiming to be really, really good dark spot treatments. And this is $16.99, you guys. So you cannot beat that. You can't beat it at all. Like I said, I was able to test this product out for you guys before it launched, and I have definitely noticed a difference in my skin. I have dark spots. Hi, it's me, and I have dark spots. I know that my acne leaves that behind, and it's fine. As long as I have something that's going to help treat it, it makes it so much easier to treat your skin when you know you have something that is catered for your skin. I'm going to continue to use this product because I do want to go on a 3-month run and see what it's done for me in 3 months. They have definitely lightened up, and I can tell, and that makes me happy when I'm using a product that claims to help with dark spots, because I actually suffer from that. Because I have so much faith in Verse, you guys. You know that I work with them. I am a skin team ambassador. I have been using Verse ever since they dropped in Target. I remember sitting in the parking lot at my kids. He had a tutoring class at Kumon, and I was reading about the product, saw they launched in Target. While he was in tutoring, Target was right across the street. I ran over to Target, zipped down the aisles. I remember even sharing on my Instagram stories, and found, and this is when they had like a little spot, like a little outside aisle designated for their products. They didn't have very many, but they had enough to choose from. And I remember getting a cleanser. I think I got the lip the lip oil and something else, and I was just so excited about it. I don't know if it was just the clean beauty brand is what gets me. It was drugstore and it's clean beauty, because I had recently went to an event and went to a clean beauty store, you guys, for the first time here in Charlotte. It was a beauty event I was invited to, and the clean beauty was expensive. It was ridiculous. I was like, why is clean beauty, it's supposed to be good for us, why is it so expensive? Just like clean food, good food is expensive. It's the same thing with skincare, but not Verse. When I saw that they had clean beauty and it was affordable, drugstore, and it was at Target, I was shook. I was smitten from then. So using the products helped me even more to fall in love with them because they actually worked for my skin, you guys. Know what works for me is not going to work for you. What works for you is not going to work for me. But I can attest to this product because it has done amazing for my skin. And I have sensitive, oily, acne-prone skin. So if I can use it, and if you guys have the same skin like me, just give it a try. You may like it and it may work for you. Okay, I want to go over the ingredients. There are 4 key ingredients that I have listed, and I want to go over exactly what each ingredient does. So, oh my gosh, this word again. Tranexamic. Okay, so the first ingredient is a powerful antioxidant known for its abilities to treat discoloration while slowing the transfer of pigment. It fades marks without any adverse side effects for darker skin tones. That's good to know. The next ingredient is niacinamide, which is also known as a vitamin B3, if you guys did not know that. Evens out tone, reduces blotchiness, and strengthens skin's barrier to protect against future damage. The next ingredient is kojic acid, which is derived from mushrooms and packed with antioxidants. This exfoliating acid is most effective at blocking melanin production and brightening the skin. And the last one is licorice root extract, a natural skin lightening agent that inhibits pigmentation while also fending off environmental aggressors. I love the name of this product. It's not anything fancy. It's just straight to the point, out of control. Dark spot gel. A lot of products out there have these crazy names and they're super long. Before you even get to the end of reading off the name of the product, you're like, okay, what was the beginning? Run that by me again. As always, please be sure to use my coupon code. This will save you some money when you purchase any of Verse products for your first time. That is going to do it for this video. That completes this video. I hope I was able to help you. I will keep you guys posted on how this does for me within the next month. And if I notice another change in my skin, I'm definitely going to update you guys because that is what I am here to do. If you decide to get the product, let me know how it worked for you. Take before and after pictures. Make sure you guys can see that the product is working for you. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Share with somebody that may like it. And if you haven't subscribed, again, click that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.